Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to increase display size in Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. Just swipe up the screen for getting menu. You can see here, just swipe up screen for menu. Then go to settings application. Then select display and touch. You can see here, display and touch. Open that. Then select, just swipe up. Then you can see option of display size and text. Open that option. You can see that display size and text. Okay, simply open display size and text. Then you can see two sliders is here, and you can slide right side to increase the text and display size, and you can slide left side for decrease in that. So in this way you can easily increase your display size, and you can see here everything it will be increased, like text and icons. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.